Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki with his wife Betsy Obaseki and other ogbonge people don't follow join body for one public Thanksgiving and appreciation reception wey dem organize to celebrate the successful tenure of the former Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo. This Thanksgiving and reception shele for Obafemi Awolowo Square for Ikenne Remo for Ikenne local government area of Ogun State. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki for the event can describe the former Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, as man wey get vision, character and integrity and say him discharge the duties and responsibility wella when he dey for office. Obaseki comes to talk say Naija people no go throway salute give am now for wetin him don do, but for them wey work with am for all the plenty reforms for electricity, for crude oil tiffy and other ogbonge reforms when he work on, then go give am accolades for him efforts and commitment for all the things him do as the Vice President of Nigeria.
Your Excellency, we say thank you. Nigeria will not appreciate you yet, but for those of us who worked with you in all the major reform areas, whether it is in electricity, whether it's in this fuel subsidy that has just been removed, whether it's in the area of crude oil theft, I can go on and on and on. But we thank God that all work you've done are properly documented, and we will continue to benefit from the hard work, the leadership, and the commitment you provided us during your tenure.
The host and governor of Ogun State, Prince Dakpo Abiodun, come talk say the state dey proud of all the achievements of their son, Professor Osinbajo, as Vice President of Nigeria, and say Yemi Osinbajo na man of character and dignity wey achieve so much for Ogun State and Nigeria as a whole.
That your antecedent had adequately prepared you for this assignment. You are an embodiment of your Moluabi ethos. Without sounding immodest, we are all very proud that Professor Yemi Osinbajo has exhibited an unwavering commitment to the socio-economic and political development of our dear nation, Nigeria.
For the event, the governor of Bayelsa State, Donye Diri, come talk say,
we see in the former Vice President a man of character, a man who has served this country meritoriously. This is how it should be. At the end of service, for a man who has given his all to his people, this is when it is time to say thank you.
The former Secretary of the Federation, Boss Mustafa, can describe Professor Osinbajo as a leader wey no care which region of the country you come from, and say he served the nation with ogbonge loyalty and commitment to all the responsibilities wey dem give him to handle.
Professor Yemi Osinbajo is one Nigerian that is completely detribalized. You cannot see any trace of tribalism in his conduct and his actions. And he is a consummate leader. He is very efficient, he is smart, and he is very hardworking and dedicated to the responsibilities that were given to him.
The wife of the celebrant, Dalakpo Osinbajo, can shower praises on the celebrant, her husband, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, and can thank all the ogbonge people wey come follow them celebrate for a successful service to the nation.
I would also like to thank all the excellencies, our royal fathers, our elders, family members, the people of Ikenne, and especially those who organized this great Thanksgiving. All I can say is thank you. Osinbajo mami kan, mayo majo ntire. Osinbajo mami kan, àti pagbo yi ọ̀ka. Osinbajo mami kan, ẹ bá mi gbé.
Àti pagbo yi ọ̀ka.
Ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn ló ń bẹ lẹ́yìn rẹ̀.
Ọ̀pọ̀ ènìyàn ló ń bẹ lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ o. Osinbajo mami kan, àti pagbo yi ọ̀ka.
Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o.
For his address, the celebrant Professor Yemi Osinbajo country salute give everyone with them take day with saints and we come also follow and jollificate. And to the young men and women of the state, Professor Osinbajo can talk say him go dey there to support and enable them to achieve anything they want to achieve.
I say to all the young men and women here that your own future, your destiny, your progress has only just begun. Wherever it is that we stop is only your own starting point. And we'll be there with you to support you and to enable you to achieve the highest that you can achieve. I want to thank everyone who has been here today, and those who have left. I want to thank those who are still here. And thank you so much. This has been a great honor for me. And I want to believe that the Almighty God who has given you, has put it in you to honor me in this way, will honor you too.
Other Ogmoge people wait and for the appreciation reception na the governor of Bayelsa State, Doyin Diri, former governor of Ekiti State, Otumba Adeniyi Adebayo, former governor of Osun State, Rauf Aregbesola, former governor of Cross River State, Donald Duke, former governor of Bayelsa State, Siriaki Denson, among others. A. Carter Ojeselin, reporting for TMC TV News.